Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two AI note-taking platform, which is Notion and Craft AI. Although both are great for taking notes, but they shine in different way, and that's what I'm about to look into. So let's get started. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace where you can take notes, build database, track tasks, and organize almost everything. Its AI can help you write, summarize, and brainstorm right inside your page. Notion also works well for people who want one tools for note and project systems, but it can feel a bit complex at first. Now, talking about Craft AI, Craft is more focused note-taking app with a clean, simple design and smooth writing experience. Its AI helps you write and polish notes quickly, and everything feels easy and fast. Craft doesn't have Notion's deep database features, but it's more friendly if your main goal is writing and organizing notes. So in my opinion, Notion is best for all-in-one workspace with AI helps, while Craft is best for clean, easy note-taking with smart AI support. And that's the slightly difference between the two note-taking apps. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. Welcome.